In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a Weebly gallery. Whether you're creating a stunning portfolio or a captivating showcase of your favorite moments, resizing your gallery can make a huge difference in presentation. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Weebly's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in weebly.com. Once the homepage is loaded, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on this and enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account. If you've forgotten your credentials, there are options to reset your password. Once you're all set, go ahead and click on Login. Now, you're ready to access your Weebly website interface. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Overview page, where you can manage all your sites. Find the site that you want to work on and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you to the Weebly Site Editor, the main hub for making changes to your website. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to select the page that contains the gallery you'd like to resize. You can do this by navigating through the page list, typically located on the left sidebar. Click on the page you want to edit to open it in the main editing window. With the correct page open, locate your gallery section. Click directly on the gallery images to select them. At this point, you have a couple of methods to resize the gallery. Let me guide you through each option. The first method involves using columns. Once you click on the gallery, look for column options that might appear on the toolbar. You can adjust the number of columns to resize the images proportionally across the space. This approach is quick and works well to fine-tune the gallery layout. Alternatively, you can use spacers to adjust the gallery size. This method gives you more precise control over how your images are displayed. Start by clicking and dragging a spacer element from the Builder toolbar. Place this spacer on the right side of your gallery, creating some free space. You can adjust this spacer as needed until you're satisfied with how it looks. Then add another spacer to the left side of the gallery, balancing the layout to ensure the images appear centered and tidy. And there you have it. By using either columns or spacers, you can customize your gallery's appearance on Weebly, allowing it to align perfectly with your site's design and functionality. Experiment with both methods to see which one suits your style best. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.